Discover the 2024 Kia EV6, where every mile feels like a thrilling journey, not just a pit stop. Say goodbye to the electric vehicle guessing game. This sleek ride offers a smooth drive, impressive performance, and a roomy interior without the hassle of becoming an EV expert. Its striking design sets it apart from the crowd, turning heads wherever it goes. With an EPA estimated range of up to 310 miles, the EV6 keeps you cruising without constant recharge anxiety. And if you're craving excitement, buckle up for the EV6 GT's 576 horsepower ride. Need to power up on the go? No problem. With a swift DC fast charging rate of around 225 kilowatts, the EV6 gets you back on the road in no time, making long-distance trips a breeze. Compared to rivals like the Ford Mustang Mach-E, Volkswagen ID.4, and Nissan Ariya, the EV6 shines with its superior features. Yes, it might be a tad pricier than its Hyundai Ioniq 5 counterpart, but both the Kia and Hyundai have earned the prestigious 2024 Editor's Choice Awards. So why settle for ordinary when you can embrace extraordinary with the Kia EV6? Deciding on your Kia EV6, pricing, and best pick. Step into the world of the 2024 Kia EV6, where prices range from $43,975 to $62,975, depending on your desired trim and options. Let's break it down. Light trim starts at $43,975, wind trim at $50,075, GT line trim at $54,275, and the GT trim tops out at $62,975. Now, while the 576 horsepower GT trim might steal the spotlight with its heroic performance, we understand that most EV enthusiasts prioritize driving range over sheer speed. That's why we suggest the dual-motor, all-wheel drive wind trim. Not only does it offer all-weather traction at a more affordable price point, but its combined 320 horsepower, thanks to dual motors, provides a solid punch compared to the single motor's output. Opting for the standard 19-inch wheels helps preserve driving range, and with the EV6 wind's all-wheel drive, you can expect an impressive 282 miles of driving per charge. So, if you're looking for a balance of performance and practicality, the EV6 wind trim is the way to go. Unleashing the power, EV motors and performance. The EV6 offers versatility with either a single electric motor for rear-wheel drive or dual motors for all-wheel drive. With all-wheel drive models boasting between 320 to 576 horsepower, while the base rear-drive version offers 167 or 225 horsepower. We took the GT line RWD for a spin in Europe, relishing its responsive acceleration, nimble handling, and customizable regenerative brake settings. At our test track, the 320 horsepower GT line model impressed with a swift 4.5-second 0 to 60 mph sprint, ensuring you reach the next charging station with time to spare. Opting for the rear-wheel drive model extends your range to 310 miles, albeit with a 6.7-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time during tests. However, if blistering acceleration is your priority, the 576 horsepower GT delivers, rocketing to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.2 seconds. Positioned as the pinnacle of performance, the GT model boasts additional enhancements like an electronic limited slip differential, firmer chassis tuning, adaptive suspension, and upgraded brakes. In a thrilling 0 to 150 to 0 speed test, the 2023 Kia EV6 GT proved its prowess, halting in just 31.2 seconds, a mere heartbeat slower than a Toyota Supra. Unraveling the range, charging, and battery life of the EV6. Unveiling the heart of the EV6, battery options play a crucial role in defining its range and performance. The entry-level light rear-wheel drive model sports a 58.0 kilowatt-hour battery pack, while all other EV6 variants boast a larger 77.4 kilowatt-hour unit. This translates into impressive EPA-rated ranges of up to 310 miles for models with the larger pack, while the light variant clocks in at 232 miles. Opting for the high-octane GT model sees a slight drop in range, down to 206 miles per charge. Real-world testing reveals the all-wheel drive wind model's highway driving range hitting 230 miles, while the potent GT model manages 190 miles. When it's time to recharge, the EV6 shines with its swift charging capabilities. With an operating voltage of 800, the EV6 battery can go from 10 to 80% in under 18 minutes when connected to a 350 kilowatts fast charger, a claim verified through testing. This setup also adds 70 miles in less than 5 minutes, ensuring you're back on the road in no time. For at-home charging convenience, the EV6 features an 11 kilowatts onboard charger capable of refilling the battery from 10 to 100% in just 7 hours when plugged into a level 2 outlet. With efficiency and convenience at its core, the EV6 redefines what it means to power up. Unlocking efficiency, fuel economy, and real-world MPG of the EV6. Efficiency is the name of the game with the EV6, as every single motor variant boasts an impressive combined EPA rating of up to 117 mpg. Meanwhile, the dual-motor version achieves 109 mpg with standard 19-inch wheels and 96 mpg with the optional 20s. Opting for the high-performance GT model sees a slight dip in efficiency, with a combined estimate of 79 mpg. For a comprehensive look at the EV6 fuel economy, be sure to visit the EPA website. With its focus on efficiency, the EV6 redefines what it means to drive with sustainability in mind. Exploring the interior, comfort, and cargo space in the EV6. While the EV6 exterior flaunts bold design cues, step inside and discover a space that seamlessly blends modernity with practicality. While not as daring as its exterior, the interior boasts an attractive and futuristic layout. Although lacking features like a sliding center console or front seat footrest found in the Ioniq 5, the EV6 compensates with its high-tech amenities and thoughtful design elements. From the digitized dashboard to the floating center console with ample storage options, every detail exudes sophistication. Notable touches include the two-tone, two-spoke steering wheel, a prominent start button, and tasteful gold accents throughout the cockpit. Immerse yourself in unparalleled sound quality with the standard 14-speaker Meridian premium audio system in the EV6. Complete with a subwoofer and external amplifier, this state-of-the-art system delivers powerful, immersive sound to elevate every moment of your drive. Thanks to its flat floor and spacious wheelbase, the EV6 offers generous passenger space akin to the Kia Telluride. With 28 cubic feet of cargo space behind the back seat and a total of 54 cubic feet with the rear seats folded flat, the EV6 effortlessly accommodates your cargo needs. Additionally, there's extra storage space under the front trunk, though it may not be as cavernous as expected. Step inside the EV6 and experience a blend of comfort, functionality, and style that sets a new standard in electric vehicle interiors. Elevating connectivity. Infotainment in the EV6. Take command of the EV6 infotainment system, centered around a 12.0-inch touchscreen seamlessly integrated with the digital gauge cluster. While the display is expansive, the menu structure and navigation performance may leave something to be desired. Nevertheless, the system boasts an array of modern features, including over-the-air updates and comprehensive voice command functionality. With support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless smartphone charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot, staying connected on the go has never been easier. Audiophiles will appreciate the option to upgrade to a Meridian stereo system boasting 14 speakers, delivering an immersive sound experience. Step into the EV6 and immerse yourself in a world of seamless connectivity and cutting-edge technology. Safety redefined. Driver assistance features in the EV6. Kia prioritizes safety in the EV6, equipping it with a host of standard driver assistance technologies such as automated emergency braking and automatic high beams. For added peace of mind, optional assists are available to enhance your driving experience. For comprehensive crash test results, interested individuals can refer to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key safety features of the EV6 include standard blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, standard adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, available remote parking assist. With these advanced safety features, the EV6 offers a secure and confident driving experience for all passengers. Drive with peace of mind knowing that safety is at the forefront of every journey. Peace of mind, warranty and maintenance coverage. When it comes to warranty plans, Kia stands out with one of the best in the industry. While it doesn't include complimentary scheduled maintenance like Hyundai, Kia's warranty offers extensive coverage. Limited warranty, 5 years or 60,000 miles. Powertrain warranty, 10 years or 100,000 miles. Although there's no complimentary scheduled maintenance, Kia's robust warranty provides reassurance and confidence for your EV6 journey. Drive with peace of mind, knowing that Kia has your back every mile of the way. In conclusion, the Kia EV6 offers an enticing package with its quick acceleration, sporty handling, and spacious interior. Its compatibility with high-rate charging stations ensures convenient recharging on the go, while its sleek styling strikes a perfect balance between hatchback agility and SUV presence. However, it's worth noting that the EV6 falls short in cargo space compared to some competitors, and visibility may be compromised in certain driving situations. Additionally, real-world testing revealed underwhelming range performance, and some driver assist features could benefit from smoother operation. On a positive note, the introduction of a bigger battery option for the base light trim level enhances the EV6 overall appeal.